Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of action cameras, and we've got an incredible new device to talk about, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. This camera is set to shake up the action camera industry, and in this video, we'll be covering everything you need to know, from its unique design and impressive features to its image and video quality, connectivity options, and more. The Insta360 Ace Pro sets a new standard in design and portability. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a professional photographer, or a casual user looking for a reliable travel camera, this device won't disappoint. The Ace Pro 2 is designed with a sleek, modern look that combines aesthetics with functionality. Now let's talk about what really matters: the image and video quality. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is a beast when it comes to capturing stunning visuals. Thanks to its co-engineered sensor developed in collaboration with a leading optics company, this camera delivers top-tier performance. It can record in jaw-dropping 8K resolution, ensuring every moment is captured with sharpness and precision. The large 50-megapixel sensor captures images that are rich in detail and color, making it perfect for professional use or just sharing on social media. The Insta360 Pro 2 is not just about high resolution. It's also packed with versatile shooting modes that let you push the creative boundaries. Whether you're capturing action shots of extreme sports or creating cinematic content, this camera has you covered. It offers an array of modes like time-lapse, slow motion, and hyperlapse. One of the standout features of the Insta360 Pro is its integration of dual AI processing chips. These AI chips bring significant enhancements to the camera's performance, from real-time image processing to smart scene detection. The AI capabilities enable features like automatic horizon leveling, face tracking, and intelligent scene recognition, making it easier than ever to get the perfect shot. Action cameras are a lab, out movement, and the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with advanced stabilization technology that keeps your footage smooth and steady, no matter how intense the action gets. When it comes to storage, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 provides ample options. It includes a micro SD slot that supports cards up to 1 terabyte, ensuring you'll have enough space to store all your high-resolution videos and images. Battery life is another strong point of the Ace Pro 2. It's equipped with a high-capacity battery that offers extended recording times, so you can capture more without frequent recharges. Plus, with fast charging support, you'll be back up and running in no time. From its stunning 8K resolution and powerful AI features to its durable design and seamless connectivity, it's packed with everything you need to elevate your filming experience. Subscribe, like, share.